Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this Smart Band on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your Smart Band. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your Smart Band, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our Smart Band. In the app, you should see the health page. Now, tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page, you should see your Smart Band 9. Now, scroll down and find the category called Notifications and Calls. And under this category, you should see the app notifications and incoming calls. First, let's tap on app notifications. If you don't have the required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you will see some pop-ups about the permissions. For example, this one, tap on OK. It will redirect you to the device and app notifications. Here you need to find the Mi Fitness application, tap on it, tap on the switch to allow the notification access, tap on allow, and once you enable the notification access, and it says allow right here under the Mi Fitness, go back to the app, and now you can turn on and off the notifications. Once you turn them on, you will see more options like receive only when phone is locked. If you enable this option, you will receive the notifications on your Smart Band only when the screen on your phone is turned off, when it's locked. Next, we have the wake screen. This option, basically, if you turn it on and receive the notification on your Smart Band, it will wake up the screen on it. Another option is notify only when worn. If this option is enabled and you're not wearing your Smart Band on your wrist, you won't receive the notifications. So I'm gonna disable it because I have my Smart Band on the table. Below we have more options, and here we have sync all notifications. If this option is enabled, it syncs the notifications from every app on your phone. But you can disable this option, tap on custom notifications, and here you have the list of apps on your phone, and you can enable the notifications for specific apps, for example, Discord. Then tap on done to save it. So depending on your preferences, enable all notifications or custom notifications. Okay, we're done with the app notifications, so let's go back. Now let's tap on incoming calls, and if you want to use the notifications for calls, you need to tap on the switch next to vibration, tap on allow, and allow the required permissions. And once you're done, it will be enabled and the notifications should be working. You can also enable the quick replies by tapping on the switch next to reply with message, allow the required permissions, and the quick responses will be enabled, and you can tap on them. And here you can see your quick responses. You can add a new one. You can edit the old ones. For some reason it didn't. Okay, it's saved now. You can edit the old ones by tapping on one. No, we can remove them for sure. Yeah, we can change the position on the list, but we can change the content rather. So if you want to have a custom one, you need to add it. And if you don't want this, you don't want to have the ones that already were there, you can remove them. Okay, and last option in the incoming calls is delay alerts, and if you enable this option, it basically will delay the alert on your Smart Band. So if somebody calls you and you have a delay, the Smart Band will wait the time you set, and then it will vibrate. So for example, if you set it to 25 seconds, so if somebody calls you on your phone, the Smart Band will wait 25 seconds and then it will start vibrating. Okay. So at this point, once you're done setting up your notifications, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and we'll see if it's working. And we got the notification on our phone, and if you wake up the screen on your Smart Band, it is also here. So it is working. And if you miss the notifications, you will see this orange dot on the current watch face, the home screen at the top. and then you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for the Smart Band on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.